Hiya boys and girls, it's Matt again. We're back. Hope you're all good. So here we are at the real toy shop with the lovely bikes and crazy cars and all that good stuff. So before we get firing into this, thanks again for everybody who's took the time to like and subscribe and drop a little comment, because we love it. Yeah, we can't help it, can we? So if any of you feel like doing that, please do. Don't be afraid. Costs you nothing, makes us feel better and makes us want to do more videos. So what we got this time? Well, this one, bit of a golden oldie really. So we're looking at a 1998 Yamaha Thundercat 600. And if you want to hear the lovely Micron exhaust fire up, stick around because we'll be firing that up in a minute. And just having a proper good old look round the bike. She's an old girl, but as far as condition goes, she's looking pretty good, eh? You've got the blue dot brake calipers on the front there. It's in one of my favourite colours for these. You don't see many now, but in the like silver grey with the orange and black, it just seems to be the right colour to me anyway. So coming down the sides, you'll see there's no sort of marks or scratches. There must be something, but just can't really see out. Got a set of R&G crash bungs on there. We've got a fancy seat, a core seat. I'm not sure, not one I've heard of before, but it looks really comfy, and when you sat on it, it feels that way. And we've also got the rack and the rear arms as well for the rack. Now obviously, of course you can take them off if you want to, it's your bike if you buy it. But we obviously let the rack go with the bike. Let's give you rack, and I'll give you simply top case. If you're going away for the weekend, it's always handy to have somewhere to put your pants, isn't it? And your toothbrush. Coming down the back here, again, look at the tyre, all good nick, and your chain and sprocket, they all look good as well. And coming through here, you can see your shocker in there, all looking nice. And again, coming round it, all the panels and everything looking well, and all the paintwork on the tank looking gorgeous as well. Got a nice metal flake in the black there. Hopefully that's coming through on the pictures. Now, in a minute we'll strike it up and you can hear that Micron and the rest of the engine, and we'll let you know the mileage as well. So what are you guessing, folks, as we're walking around? What would you guess as the mileage of this 1998, so what are we now? Oh, blimey, 25, 27-year-old bike. Still does a fantastic job for you. I don't think you'd find another one like this, if I'm honest. Headlight protector on there as well. And again, looking down at the front, you can see the tyre's good, and so's the condition. So just getting in and around, look, you can see my reflection in there. There's some little marks on the screen that probably just polish off, to be honest, or it could be just condensation. Oh, I'm saying that. But we'll see. We'll see if it disappears while we're talking. So that's your bike. What can we do for you on the bike? Well, I'm just going to give you your riding position, look. Going down the road. Looks well, doesn't it? So what can we do? Well, if you've got a part exchange, at this sort of money, it's quite a cheap bike, so, you know, if you've got a part exchange, that's okay, but if it's a project or anything like that, that's not really going to be for us. But take a look at the website. I'll come round here and you can have a look and read what the website is. As we swoop down the side there. Up we go, right then. So that's us, that's the website. Go on there, there's a part exchange form. While we're here though, keep hold of that number, because if you need some finance or whatever, that's the number you need to be ringing on. Give us a call on that. Lisa or Scott in the office will sort you out with that, and if you like the monthly figures, then we can put you through with our finance partner. Quick decisions, good rates, all that good stuff. Stress free. Right, that's your finance side of things. Now we get to delivery. Well, we always deliver for absolutely nothing. Doesn't stop you coming and have a look at the bike. Please do come and have a cup of tea with us. Talk motorbikes, we love it. But the end of the day, if you want it delivering, this is your, without coming to see it, this is your thing that tells you everything about the bike. So it turns up and it's not like this. With my happy smiling face, you can say, Matt, look on that video, there was no scratch there, and we all know there isn't anyway. So, but if you do decide as well, just jump on the website, gives you all the time frames and all that good stuff on there. But please come and see us. Come on a wet day, we'll always deliver the bike another day, you don't have to take it away with you. So that's that. And then pushing on from there, we need to hear that Micron, don't we? Yes, please, Matt. Let's hear it. Let's hear the bike. Let's see if it's anywhere near as good as it looks. But don't forget, if you need to ask anyone before you buy it, your mother, your brother, your dad, or your lover, please ask them first, and then we'll sit on the phone with you and go through all the paperwork and everything. We love it. Right then, noise time. Don't ask for permission anyway. Just flip and beg for forgiveness. It's easier. Right. So let's get in with the mileage first, shall we? You see that? 21,447. Nothing, is it? Ladies own this bike since 2015. Carbs were overhauled at Yamaha dealer last year, so it's really looked after the bike. And I've warmed it up. Yes, I know, you're all crazy at me for... I've only been an engineer for 30 years, chief one at that. So I do know my way around an engine and a bike, and I know what's going to break it. Anyway, that's my rant. Let's hear it. Come on, Matt. Now, that's not bad, is it? Bloody hell. Excuse my French. There's no ABS to deal with, no traction control to brake, and no immobiliser keys that won't let you ride your bike home. Proper old school 600 little Supersport thing that you can have all the fun in the world on. So how do I get it in my shed, Matt? How do I get it in my shed? Well, let's come and turn it off first. There you go, she's off. Let's back away back down here again. How do I get it in my shed? Well, number one, if you've got a Part X, visit that Part Exchange form. Number two, if you need some monthlies, speak to Lisa or Scott in the office. And number three, well, just get it paid for. Let's get it in a van, get it to as quick as we can. Thanks for watching, boys and girls. If you've seen anything you like, you know what to do. And if you feel like seeing any more, you know what to do with that as well. I'm out of here. I'm off to look at the next bike, get this one uploaded, and we'll see you on the next one. Don't forget, ask your missus first. Bye for now.